You're welcome. So in this video we are going to look at how we can create an e-commerce website just like the one you are seeing with payment system integrated, all for free. So let's use this site. 1 2 3. You have to sign up, then go to your mail, you activate the mail. So when you click on the link, it will bring you to this interface where you start creating your site right away. So when you come here, if you'll be creating a lot of websites for other people, the good thing is once you sign up with just one email, you can create as many as you want. So you can see I have personal, new, FN and ST. Just click on create new group and then you are good to go. So let me click on create. So now it is asking us what kind of website. We said an e-commerce, so let's online store. Then you give a name. So let me say, then I'll add it to your group. So automatically it will pick some templates for you with items in. You just have to edit them and then you change them to whatever you want to do. So let me quickly take you through the interface here. Then the next session we look at how we can edit everything. Settings, website name. Let's assume that you made a mistake when you were typing the name. So here I can change it. So I can say use shop store, then it will come up here automatically. Now we have the logo. If you use the logo, you can't use the name on up here. So in between the logo and the name, which one do you want? Because it's a free site builder, that's why. If you get to the premium ones, you have both. Then the favicon simply means the logo you see when you are browsing in the browser. Normally this one is seen when you are using the PC. Alright, so let's go to type, select multiple, then country. That is the country where you find yourself. It's pretty easy for you to edit that one. Now let's go to the design. We have the color. So when you scroll down here, this is the default color. This are the default color. The button, you can see that all the buttons, they have this color. Now let's say I want this, something like this. Now you can see that it has changed here. So you pick a color that the person wants. So the font is just the text, how you want it to be. So we won't talk about that. Down the header. So any website that you visit, the page. So let me use this one for example. So when you come here, this is a page, home page. Now we have 3 divisions where you have the name and then the menu items here. We call this one the header. Right after the header, coming down here is the body, then down part here is the footer. So that is how a site page is. So here we want to show the core icon on this side. So yes, show email, say yes. Show location, here you can say yes, location icon will be there. And then show social, yes. Then of course you have to show the shopping cart, then that one is here. So the rest are paid. Then login. Let's click on login because we want people to create an account. So you can see that we have quite a number of things here. Don't worry, we will shorten them. Now let's move on to the footer. So the down one. Now let me say floating share button, and then the share social icon, everything is on. So here, this is the share floating icon, and then the contact is there. So that is a quick review on the interface. Now in the next session, we are going to look at how we can edit the pages, change everything here. So stick and stay. Great, you're welcome back. Now let's move on to the pages. But before that, your site's image, that is the first one, the background image. It must be something attractive and catchy. Click on it and then it will give you this. Let's search for online store. You can also get free images from Pixabay or Splash that you can use. Make sure the image is quality one. Okay, so this one, it will not give me what I want. Let me go to choose, upload. So you locate where you have your picture, then you select, maybe it's this one, let me hope so. So you wait for it to load. Then as soon as it is done, you will see the thing automatically. And then what happens is that anytime you make any changes, there's no need for you to click on anything, it will save automatically. But at times when you go to the pages, you have to click on save there, so take note. Okay, so use shop store. Now it's not loading, so let's say quality. When you are done, click outside. So like I was saying, this one will take effects. Now let's come to this setting, so you can change how this one looks, the background image, whether you want it to be brighter or darker or whatever. Now when you come down here, you have a shape. You can see that here is a rectangle, so you can change it here. See, when you click on this, now you can see that it has taken effect. So depending on what you want, there are quite a number of them. Then hide on mobile. This one there's no need for you to hide it, because if you check it, mostly people use phone. So if you say hide it, then they cannot see. So leave everything. Now let's come to templates. So the templates, the ones that you want to work with, you can select it. So if you want to select the template, then select the template first before you come and click, you change the picture. So whatever you are doing here, there are templates here, you select, and then you are good to go. So let me close it. Now that is it. It's the same thing that you see here, edit structure. It's the same template that it will give you. So now that we are done with this intro, it's the same thing, whatever you want to do. In the next session, we are going to look at how we can edit, add our items, change the currency sign to wherever you are, about us, contact us, and then everything. So let's take a stay, then let's mix in the next session. Great, welcome back. So click on pages. This is the home page, that one, the things that we are editing them here. Then we have the e-commerce, so let's click on the edit. Now when you come here, you can see that we have women 2 items, men items. So these are the catalog. Now we can add another category. So when you click on add, let's say phones, then you click on add. Now it is telling you that you don't have any products here. So when you click on this, then you say create a new product. So product info, then the category is there. If it is digital products, you also check it. So let's say WQS. So that is WQS form. Then a short description. This short description is what customers will see before they click on the image. Then the price, let's say 400. Check on sale. So you see, when you check the on sale, it has given a discount. So always make sure you do that. And then this one should be bigger than this. So let me make it 450 rather. Then additional information. So additional information, that's where you can add the SKU, then brand. You add a brand. Then here, this is the full details of the item, battery, manufacturer, and what have you. So you put all of them here. And the good thing is you can add a lot of things, bulletin, numbering, to make sure that things nice. You can add video. If you have a video of it, you can also add it here. Pictures, you can add them here. This picture is different from the display pictures. We take notes, you can add them here. Then if you want to insert a link, you can also do it here. So after you finish, then you come to this side and select image. So this is the image customers will see. Make sure that that image is very, very nice, quality image. If you have to go for photo shooting to get a quality image, I beg you do so. Okay, so let me pick this iPhone and then use it. So now that you make sure that this image, you edit it and give it a nice background. This one I'm just using this one for tutorial purposes. So when you are done like this, then you can go to product options. Does this product come with option? Then you add it. Then does the product has attributes? You add. Then shipping. Here is very, very important. If you click free shipping will be there. So let's say you can have a fixed rate or global rate plus fixed. Then you can charge, let's say you say 20. So the rate, you put the rate there and then you move on. Then you go to the inventory. So automatically manage inventory. What it means is that, let's say I have 20 or 200. As soon as you are selling, then it will be reducing auto from sale. So what this one happen is that if when you go to e-commerce website, see when you are looking at a product, then below it you see Customers also view this product here, so related products, then more maximum and minimum number of pages. So you can set that one. Then is it taxable? Do you have items that you sell together? So all these are the replace add to cutting button. Now when you are done, just click on save. So that is how you add a product, how you add a category, and then how you add a product. If you want to edit this one too, you can also edit it, the already made one. And of course those ones we have to edit them. So when you click on this one like this, then you change it from here. See the name is here. Now the short description, you add a lot of things and then you are done. So that is how you go by adding items. So where's my phone? So you see you have phones, one product. Now let's move on to, so you have new arrival too. You can also edit this one. So here you can edit them individually, or you can go to this side. Let's edit it. Let's go to the edit because we are not done. So whatever you want to see there, you must edit them here. This is just the catalog. So when you go to all products, every product that you see there, it will be there. So you see on sale, if it is new, you check it's new. Let's come to, so under the settings, we have the design, we have the options and attribution. Let's go to payment method. So when you come to the payment method, this is where you add all your payment method. Now, if you are a startup business, there's most of the time maybe you lack credibility, so people might not pay online. Don't worry, you have payment on delivery and all those things. So bank deposit. If you select this method, now we have insert payment description. So you give details that make payment to this account. Then you tell them after they've made the payment what they are supposed to do. Now we have cash on delivery. So cash on delivery, then we can also put something there. Then check, if you take check, how it's supposed to be written. Pay in store, the instructions on phone. So whatever you want them to do. Now let's change the currency sign. So just click here, and then you select, you look for your country. You search for your country. Now the good thing is, once you select this one and you save it, it will change everything automatically on your site. So you don't have to go there, you see update successful, and be changing the thing manually. No. So that is how you can set the payments method. Now if you want to take shipping, so you can just edit them. The rest of the world, you can just type the thing there, flat rate or rate by order price, depending on what you want to do. Store pickup poly, you can select them. Then after everything, you click on save. So the shipping thing that you do, you see everything. And then when you go to the edit, we have orders. So the number of orders that you are having, it will show. You still do not have any order. So when you go to your dashboard, that is your back end, you see the number of orders and you respond to them accordingly. Then if you want to use coupons, reviews, inside, everything is intact here. So we are done. Now you can see that it has changed. Now here we are not seeing anything like buy because we did not put them there. They are just hot, they are categories. That's why we are not seeing the things here. So categories, women, men, phones. Now when you come here, the details are here. Great. So the about us, let's come here, edit. Then you can edit whatever you want to edit. You change the picture here to suit your company. Now let me teach you how you can insert a link. Let's say the about us, you have a lot of things to write. So let me copy this link, and then when you highlight this one like this, where you want to add, let's say more, that is, they should read more, learn more, or read more. Click on the link, then insert the URL. Check this so that it will open in another tab. Then you save. So you click on save. Now when the moment you insert a link, you realize that it has changed. See, it is now red instead of black. So that is how you can also add a link. Now contact us, let's edit it. Now here, when you come to the contact list, you put the numbers here, then the company, is it main office or what, email address, then if you have custom email address, then short description. So you can add business hours, what time do you close, opening hours, postal address, and other things. Then the last one you look at under the contact us is the social media stuff. Check it, click on manage. So here, just click on add. Now it has given you a format. If the link you copy, if it doesn't follow this format, it cannot work. So let me clean the Facebook to review shop. See what, because it is correct, that's why it's there. So you click on it. If you have other things you add, so let me paste it here and change this one to Instagram, then do shop. So as soon as the link is correct, it will give you that. When you are done, now we have to also save again so that it will take effect on the page. Alright, so it is here. Now let's see, if you want to add a page, click on new. What page do you want to like? Do you want to add what page do you want to add? Is it portfolio? And e-commerce normally they don't show portfolio because it's items they are selling, so they want the front page to be occupied with a lot of things. Normally they don't even show blog, but you can also add a blog. Then I will show you how you will not let it be on the home page. Okay, so once it has come, the blog obviously will be the last but one. Always the contact is supposed to be the last one. Now when you come here, you see I talk about the header and the footer. See the things we have here, they are many. So let's click on this settings. Do you want to show this on the header? Do you want to show it on the footer? Do you want to show it on the home page? Yes, this one we want it about the e-commerce. Now the blog, we don't want the blog to be on the home page, so let's take it out from the home page, but it will be on top here. On the about us too, let's take the about us from there because we want a lot of things to be on the page. So let's take the about us too. We don't want to be on the home page, but to be on the menu item. So when they click on it, they can see it from there. To see it is not great. So that is how you can edit. The home page so that you have a lot of items. Now you can see we have the categories up here. This one too, you can take them from there or you can leave them, whichever way you want. So now after everything, yep, come to publish. Yes, so a shop or a website is supposed to have this name or this site, what we call as domain, myushop.com or ushop, but because we are using a free site, the site has given us this. So let me copy this. So this is the link you send to people. So the link I'm opening, that domain link, it will send us to our shop. This is where visitors will see. So we call this one front end. So you see, very nice. Everything is here. Now you see the share icons, then you have the floating share also here. Good. So now if you don't want these numbers to be given to people, or if you share it on your WhatsApp status, people will not click on it, don't worry, come to this side, bit.ly.com, paste your numbers here, click on shorten it. So you see, though this is numbers also, but this one looks more simple. Now when you share this link, let me put that link here, click enter. So you see it's the same domain, but because we change the look of it, it will bring you to the same website. So that is how you can create your online shop without paying anything, and then you can still have it running. So the last thing I want to show you is when you are done, this is the back end and this is the front end where customers will see. When you finish like this and you want to go back to the first screen, click on this and then click on return to dashboard. You can also log out, that is if you don't want to do anything. So this is your dashboard. Everything that goes on there here, you will see it here when you come to your dashboard. So whatever you do here will reflect. So you can update this one, upgrade, then you can get When you upgrade, you now get www.myushop.com, your domain. But until then, this one you can shorten it. Now you only have 250 megabytes. Why? Because this site has given you everything for free, so it can also give you storage for you to put plenty things there. If you have a lot of things to put there, then you upgrade. It's as simple as that. So messages that people have sent, their blog comments, mailing lists and everything. When you come here, you see everything. Now the good thing is, once you sign up, you can create a lot of websites with the same email account that you used to sign up. So that is how you can create a free e-commerce website where people can place order. They will browse securely without any fears, right? So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share.